Hey guys, let's see how to apply the Hostinger coupon code using the link. No code typing needed. To start getting the absolute best price on an amazing plan like web hosting, you need to click the Hostinger coupon code link in this video description. This link will take you directly to the Hostinger website and automatically apply the maximum discount. By clicking the link in the description, you secure an extra 20% off on all types of hosting that Hostinger offers, including web, cloud, VPS, and agency plans. Plus, clicking the link ensures you unlock essential benefits like a free domain, website migration, and expert 24/7 customer service right after your purchase. For this video, I am choosing one of the popular web hosting plans. Now, you can see how much discount you will get from Hostinger's current sale. But, this is not the final offer. Because you clicked the link in the description, you will get an extra 20% discount on top of the sale price. Without the link, you only get the standard Hostinger sale discount, so don't forget to click the link. Next, scroll down to choose your plan. Here you can see which plan is best and most popular. Choose the plan that fits your needs, and then hit the Choose Plan button. The next step is the order summary page. Here, you need to choose the billing period. The billing period is the most important part. Hostinger does not offer the discount for your renewal, so choose the longest available billing period, like 48 months, to maximize your initial savings and save more money. Next, in the order summary, you can see the referral discount 20%. This is because of my link working automatically for you. Now, hit the Continue button. Use a fresh email only and set a strong password. Once done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete your payment. You will receive an email confirmation, and that's it. You have claimed the Hostinger deal with the Hostinger coupon code link. It is very simple in just 2 minutes of work. Enjoy your new web hosting plan with your free domain, easy website migration, and included 24/7 expert customer service. Bye.